Anafi. Anafi? 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 Anafi. Fee. Anafi. Anafi. Funny name, funny looking drone. Either way, I'm pretty excited about it. DJI has some competition. Stay tuned. We're going to talk about the new drone from Parrot, the Anafi. So what is so exciting about this new drone from Parrot? Well, it is not a standard Bebop 3. It's not just an upgrade. They've redone the whole drone. We've got folding arms. They patterned it to look like an insect, which it kind of does. I don't know. It's kind of goofy looking to me, but kind of unique in the same sense. But there is one thing that I really like about this drone, and that is the gimbal. Now, it's a 2-axis gimbal, which is different, kind of like the Spark. This is also a 2-axis gimbal, but with a 21 megapixel camera, it also utilizes some electronic image stabilization. Now, Parrot has been doing this for a while. Both Bebop and the Bebop 2 use electronic image stabilization, and they do a really good job. So they'll incorporate that technology with 2-axis gimbal, so we're going to get pretty smooth video footage, I believe. Now, this is a 4K camera. It's a 4K camera capable of HDR. That means that I'm going to be able to do some better transitions through different lighting scenarios than I would with just a regular 4K camera. Now, here is the thing that I really like about this, and that is the gimbal. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about that gimbal. This is what I'm excited about. It can look both down 90 degrees and up 90 degrees. So if I look at my Spark here, and now the Spark annoyingly doesn't get all the way to 90 degrees, at least not while you're flying. But let's just say that it did, I can look down. But let's try to look up. No, I can't. The drone is in the way. That's the thing with most drones. This one is unique in that I can look both down and up 90 degrees, and that's going to allow us to do some really unique shots. Now, we've got one on order. It's going to be here early July. We're going to do some cool shots flying up through trees and things you just can't get with any other drone. So that is very exciting. So I don't know a whole lot about the flight modes yet. I'm hoping that we get some good 360-degree stitched pictures and videos, things that DJI kind of has to manipulate and fake a little bit. Thinking about their asteroid, yeah, it's really cool, but we kind of cheat a little bit on the edges. I think with this camera, we'd probably be able to do a little bit better than even DJI could. So we're excited to see what those flight modes really are. I'm guessing there's some basics like the follow me, the orbit, the active track, and things like that. So that is fun. Definitely an upgrade over the Bebop. So let's talk a little bit more about the drone. You got this kind of insect looking drone, the white camera sticking out in the front. The bottom of the drone looks kind of unrefined. Maybe they fix that before the July 1st ship date, but you know, who knows. I guess it is function over form, so we will see. This is a unique drone priced somewhere in between the Spark, which I think it compares pretty well to, and the Mavic Air, which it also compares pretty well to. So it is probably priced just about right in between the Mavic Air and the Spark at $699. All right, so the Anafi has a top speed of 35 miles an hour, which is pretty fast. Now the Spark also is pretty fast, but when you actually fly it, it is pretty gosh darn slow, right? That is because of the limitations of this 2-axis gimbal. Now, I think that Parrot probably fixed that with the 2-axis gimbal with a lot more travel and the electronic image stabilization. That's going to allow it to do a lot more at higher speeds. So we're going to test that as well. So in addition to the unique gimbal, this new Parrot drone has both the Spark and the Mavic Air beat in flight time. It's going to hit 25 minutes. This guy is 16 and my Mavic Air is lucky to get 20. We are very excited to test one ourselves, and we will get that out there as soon as we can. I hope you like this video. We've got a whole lot more on our website, halfchrome.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see this thing in action soon.